So this video is about how to buy a put option. I'm going to use TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim app just because they're very educationally helpful. And I went to my paper money account and I have $200,000. On the dashboard, if you notice the menu down below, I'm already selected on dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see the watch list, which I previously added S&P 500 as an ETF, Apple and Exxon as example stocks with no particular reason. I'm going to tap on Apple and notice how the menu down below changed to watch list. Now, you have different maturity dates, and right now, June 19 is already expended. You could have another maturity expended. If you tap on the little arrow right next to the date, it actually contracts the options, and there's a menu up top right beneath the name of the stock. It says Chart News Options Portfolio Profile. You could actually choose any one of those. But today, we're going to buy a put option, so we need to be on options menu. So I'll go with the June 19 since it was just selected. And we're going to buy a put option. And I'm just going to look at some prices here. With no particular reason, I'm going to buy a $250 put option. $250 strike price put option. There's a bid price, there's an ask price. Since we're buying, I will buy at the ask price of $165. If you tap on it, you will have the order editor. Now notice this is a green screen, which means that you actually see a buy order. The quantity is 10. I'm going to change this to 1. And then notice you have the actual option selected, and the bid price is 142, ask price is 165. Now, if you want to buy this a little cheaper, you could choose 157 or even 150, but this will mean that you would have to wait for somebody to actually agree to that price to sell this option to you. But if you want to just buy and buy it quick and agree the person who's selling it right now at 165, you could just tap on 165 or change the price, the limit price to 165. And that's pretty much it. You're going to pay a cost of trade of 165, and you're going to pay a commission of 65 cents per contract. And we're buying one contract. Tap on paper trade. Now you have the maximum profit. Because this is a put option, the maximum is Apple going to 0. Or the maximum profit is Apple going to 0. You have the maximum loss. Well, that's the amount of money that you will pay for this put option. When you tap on the paper trade, well, today's a Saturday, so mine is not going to go through. But if you tap on the paper trade, confirm, and your trade will go through. So this is how you buy a put option. Thank you.